If you're a videographer, photographer, editor, creative, or anything of the sorts, then by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to monetize your audience. And not only are you gonna be able to learn how to monetize your audience, but you're also gonna learn how to pick the business model that is right for you long term. And I know that the word business can be scary for a lot of creators, including me. I used to be scared of the word business because I thought I had to know like all these taxes. I thought I always had to know the ins and outs of contracts, etc., etc. All you have to know is that a business is just simply, what do you do to get people to pay you money? That's it. You can go more complicated and nerdy with it, or you could keep it as simple as that. So before we go ahead and get started, who am I? Like, what do I do? Who am I? Why would you be taking advice from me? My name is Boustedt, and I run right now the Takeover Editing Shop. We're still editing assets and presets for content creators just like you, people who want to make a full-time living doing content creation. So a little self-plug, if you want to go ahead, check out my editing assets down below. But anyways, I've spent literally the past 7 years trying to become a full-time creative, and I had no clue what I was doing when I was getting started. Like, I originally got started doing photography of myself on Instagram. I then moved to doing music videos, which I actually had a lot of fun doing, and maybe we'll go back to those one day just for fun. And then from there, I ended up being a full-time creative director at an agency. And then I ran my own business, started building my own content. And here we are, 10,000 followers on Instagram later and almost 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And all of this progress has literally been made in less than a year. From working in someone else's business to now running my own business, I know exactly how to actually make money as a creative. I've been a photographer, I've been a videographer, I've been a full-time editor, and now I just label myself as a creative because I feel like I do all of the different things, and I feel like that's a lot of you out there as well. Okay, so there are gonna be 4 ways you can actually monetize your audience / run your own creative business, and I'm gonna show you that in today's video. Number 1 is gonna be a done-for-you offer. Now, what a done-for-you offer is essentially, it is a service. So think of it like if you're a photographer, your photography service, you're doing it for your clients. And this is applicable to any sort of job of you being a creative, whether you're a videographer, editor, etc. You have a service that you can give to other people in exchange for money. Now, this is where I got started, and this is where I highly recommend a lot of other creatives as well to go ahead and get started. Now, notice I say started because long-term, you can go with this business model, but eventually you will want to scale and move away from done-for-you work. So some pros for running a done-for-you offer is that you can get paid a lot of money very, very quickly. All it takes is for you to find a couple of clients paying you a decent amount of money. And the work that you provide them is entirely up to you. If you want to just provide them with some reels, if you want to just provide them with a photography session, you have complete and total control of your package. And now this is perfect for, again, like I said, someone getting started in the creative scene, because this is where you'll make most of your money, learn the skills that you need to become a better photographer / videographer, editor, whatever it is, to then be able to move into the next phase of your creative business. And that next phase is building a digital product. And this is currently exactly where I am at. I have done a done-for-you offer, and now I'm focusing on building a digital product. In fact, I already have multiple digital products, and I'm planning on dropping more. So what is a digital product? A digital product is essentially a product that someone could go into your store and buy without you having to personally fulfill on the service or offer. Think a video course, presets, video assets, training, contract templates, all of these random things, they are considered digital assets. Pretty much anything that is like a file on your computer that you can send to other people for an exchange of money. Now, personally, when you go from doing done for you to selling digital products, it is a complete lifestyle change, and I personally love it. And it's great because you could genuinely, if you just wanted to do it passively, you could just only make like $1,000 a month extra without having to lift a finger, or you can scale it all the way up to 10, 20, 30, all the way up to $100,000 a month. And honestly, you can scale this infinitely because it is a digital product. As long as you got good marketing and you're getting store visits, then you are going to convert. So this is perfect for someone who is honestly a more introverted creative who is very good at the technical side of their craft, whether it's photography, videography, etc. Or it's for someone who is just kind of done with a done for you offer. And also another thing that's really dope about this is you can sell low ticket digital products, so you could help a bigger group of people just like you, or you could sell higher ticket products. So you could sell literally a $300 course, $500 product, $1,500 product. Like I've literally seen people sell courses for $2,000 plus. Like people do it all the time. So digital products are my favorite for all of those reasons. Number 3, this is sort of when you are a more established creative, and this is going to be a done with you offer. So for done with you, think consulting. And consulting essentially is a mix of digital products and one-on-one coaching. Let's say you have a client that you bring on and they just want help with their branding. You personally won't be fulfilling on the branding, but you can go ahead and tell them how to hire a team, how to put together a team, how to put together the brand. But the whole thing is you will be kind of helping them. Consulting and coaching is pretty similar, but they do have their differences. And the best way I could really describe it is consulting just is a little bit more hands-on than coaching. Coaching is a lot more hands-off, more high-level sort of thinking. This is really for if you've been in the game for a long time. And also this is the business model for the extroverts. So if you love talking to people, being a creative can be very lonely, and I completely understand that. Me personally, I love being alone. I'm an introvert, but if you're an extrovert and you need sort of human interaction on a day-to-day, then consulting is going to be pretty fire for you. And then 4th, last but not least, is this is kind of my favorite sort of way to make money because it feels so effortless. So this is affiliate / sponsorships. So the reason why I say that this sort of section feels effortless is because it gives you stuff / topics to make videos on. So if you get a sponsor from Adobe, then you know you're gonna be making a video about Adobe and they give you a good idea. And then they also pay you pretty well. A lot of content creators are doing 5-figure contracts / campaigns with these big name brands. So I've actually done affiliates myself, pretty much promoting other products that I actually use in my own workflow. And then I pretty much just get paid a commission off of each sale of that product. And if I'm already using the product and I'm sharing it, might as well get paid for it. Super easy. So these are the 4 ways you as a creative can go ahead and monetize your channel. My personal favorite, like if I had to stack these together, would be a digital product, and then honestly, affiliate and sponsors. Because me and like my dream for my life is to just be a full-time content creator, be able to make content when I want to, have no boss other than myself. So that way I could literally be traveling, hanging out with my family as much as I want to, while also being able to have that creative outlet while making money doing so. But anyways, guys, if you're an aspiring creative or already are a creative and you want to monetize your audience a bit more, or just learn the tactical information to run a creative business, feel free to follow me on my Instagram, or simply just continue watching my YouTube videos on screen. Anyways, that is it for me. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.